Dear learner, I hope you are doing well at home. I hope you are still keeping safe and you're taking care of yourselves very, very well. Dear learner, I believe you have missed school. That's why we thought wise to come close to you to teach you through our YouTube channel. I hope you have been following our lessons through our channel at Makini School TZ. If you have not, please subscribe on that channel and you'll get our lessons and you'll continue learning, because learning does not die. Learning is a process of each day and you have to learn every day. Dear learner, last time we were with you on this channel again, I taught you on, we started on a topic very interesting, that is algebra. Algebra is, as I said when I was starting the lesson, it's a wide topic and it requires you to go bit by bit. If you skip a certain topic or a subtopic, it means catching up it will not be easy. That's why I'm taking you through algebra simultaneously. I want to take you slowly by slowly so that when we start solving equations, it will not be any difficulty to you. So therefore, today I would like to take you through another subtopic, which is also simplifying algebraic expressions. What you see on the board is what we are calling algebraic expressions. Last time we never involved a number which is a constant from the outside the bracket. Last time we only had a constant and a variable, a constant and a variable. Today we have a constant which is outside. We are going to see what it pertains and how we solve those sums. When you look at the board, they may look something very complex, something if you are told to start doing. I know what happens when you give a pupil such a question. What they just jump into is, teacher, this one I don't know. Pupils of these days, they don't want to attempt questions. I hope if you can attempt this, there is something that comes directly to your mind. Remember that whenever a bracket comes in between numbers, there is what I call a what? I know you're answering that question, a multiplication sign. Therefore, what is hidden here is a multiplication sign. And if there is a multiplication sign, it means we are supposed to handle this separately, each at a time, each at a time. So if I may start, as I have said, there is a multiplication sign, which cannot be seen with our eyes, but we see it mathematically. Therefore, we are talking about 2 times 3x. You can put this into bracket. What joins them together is an addition sign, because we don't have a subtraction here. So we say 2 times 4y. Again, plus 3 times 5x. Plus 3 times 6y. Remember, we don't have any sign of negative in our expression. That's why it is easy to join them with an addition sign. If there was a negative sign, as we are going to see as we go ahead with our examples, we are going to see what happens. Once you write this, you are halfway to getting the question correct. So our tables are okay. So we say 2 times 3, which gives you 6x, plus 2 times 4 gives you 8y, plus this gives you 15x, plus 18y. We go back to our question and we go back to our lesson of the last time we were with you together. This is what we had. So since we know this now, we just collect like terms. 6x plus 15x plus 8y plus 18y. Our answer becomes 21x plus 16y. Sorry, plus 26y. Therefore, our answer is correctly displayed. Dear learner, I hope I have taken you slowly. But if I have not, we have another opportunity to follow. Please follow this example. We have said that whenever you see a bracket in between the numbers, there is a multiplication sign in between. Therefore, 4 times 5t, we don't have any negative sign, plus 4 times 6p plus 2 times 4t plus 2 times 5p. We have expanded that algebraic expression. When we expand that, we shall have 20t plus 24p plus 8t plus 10p. I hope it's clear. It's clear to everyone. After that, we are collecting the like terms. So we are having 20t plus 8t plus 24p plus 10p. When you add this, we are going to see we get 28t plus 34p. So we got our correct answer as 28t plus 34p. Dear learner, I hope you're enjoying. This is interesting. I believe it is quite interesting. If you're still enjoying my lesson, let's see what happens when a negative sign is involved. Let's see what happens. What happens is this. 3 times 7w still will be a positive number. Remember, our number here is positive, so we are going to say plus 3 times negative 2y. The number which is here is the one which is negative. You can see that. Negative 2y, I mean. Plus 3 times 4w plus 3 times 3y. Dear learner, this should not worry you. I'm going to help you solve it. It should not worry you. I know if you may ask pupils up to this point, they'll tell you, Teacher Moses, we understood everything correct. And we can do that. Yes, even this one you can do it. Look at this. This will give me 21w. When I taught you on integers, I taught you something which we say a positive integer multiplied by a negative integer gives us, I know you're answering correctly, negative integer. So we shall have positive 3, which is a constant, times negative 2y, which gives us negative 6y. Dear learner, I hope that is clear. Then this one is no problem, I know. This will give us 12w plus 9y. That gives you no trouble. Come back to the question. Collect the like terms. We have this and we have that. So we shall have 21w plus 12w. Remember, you are free to start from any point you wish. So if I want to start with 9y, then I come to negative 6y. Well and good. So I can start by 9y minus 6y because we are just collecting the like terms. Remember, this is whether you start with negative 6y plus 9, it will still give you the same answer. So here we shall have 33w plus 9 minus 6 should give us 3y. Even if you did it the other way, it will still give you the same answer. Dear learner, I hope I am explaining to you very well and systematically what these expressions involves. I hope also you are trying to see the pattern. Let's go to our example number 4. Our example number 4, we are opening the bracket by saying times 5h, close, 4 times 3g, open and close, negative 2 times 3h. You can leave it at that point if you wish. Then here you can see now we have negative 2 times 2y. If you wish to leave it that way, it's okay. Because you're just taking this number times this. Maybe I remove this one so that it is not confusing. Why did you not put brackets in our second one? Yeah, I leave even this one like this so that we don't confuse ourselves. So we have it as that. Why did I put negative 2 and not plus negative 2? Because this is not 2. This is not 2. This is negative 2. Remember always that the sign which comes before the number, it is part of that number. So this number is not 2. That's why I'm calling it negative 2 times 3. Negative 2 times 2y. This will give us 20h plus 12g minus integers again. Negative 2 times 3, positive 3, I believe. This will give us negative 6h Negative 2 times this will give us negative 4y. Let me see. G. This was supposed to be G, sorry. G. Collect the like terms. 20h minus 6h. Remember, the sign before a number is for that number. Plus 12g minus 4g. Here we have subtraction now, not addition anymore. So we have 14h as our answer. Plus 8g. This becomes the correct answer. Dear learner, maybe I pause for a minute. Am I making myself clear here? I hope I am doing exactly. If you see it a bit difficult, what you need to do is this. You may play this video more times because it is the same person who is speaking. Don't say, I never understood at that point. Go back to the video once again. You'll understand. You can start again from number 1. Go again and again. That is the benefit of a video is that you can go through it even 100 times. You can wake up in the morning and watch it. Another day you watch it. You can even watch it 1,000,000 times. So therefore, don't be scared where you never understood. As I conclude, we have number 5 and number 6. Dear learner, I hope you can see the pattern. Today I don't want to give you a task. I want us to go hand in hand. If you are with me there, take a piece of paper. Take a piece of paper and a pen. If you have it, then you can try to do this. You can say 5 times 4m. Let me not put them into brackets so that I don't confuse people. 5 times 3n minus 3 times 4m minus 3 times 3n. Let's multiply. This will give us 20m plus 15n minus 12m minus 9. Collect the like terms. 20m minus 12m plus 15n minus 9n. Subtract. These are like terms. So we shall have 8m plus 15 minus 9 will give us 6n. And this becomes our answer. Dear learner, I hope we are still moving together. Let's go to this question, the last example here. As I open the brackets again, this will be 6 times w plus 6 times 4k plus 4 times 3w plus 4 times negative 4k. So therefore, we shall have it as 6w plus 24k plus 12w. 4 times this will give us negative 16k. Collect the right terms. We have this and this. So we collect the right terms. 6w plus 12w plus 24k minus 16k. Therefore, this will give you 18w plus 16 minus this will give you 8k. And that becomes our correct answer. A person may ask, teacher, how can we have an answer which is maybe 8m minus 6? It is possible. Remember, in algebraic expression, we observe the rule of the law. Negative, if there is a negative and negative, you observe the rule. I'm sorry I don't have that example, but maybe next time when we have another lesson, we will deal with whereby we can see that 8m minus, we can have negatives. I'll try to take you through another lesson of this so that at least you see whether you understood what we have just done today. So therefore, if you wish to understand this, do them or listen to this video 1 time, 2 times, again and again. Dear learner, I hope you have enjoyed the lesson and I hope you'll train yourself to do well and to calculate mathematics. Mathematics is life. Keep safe. I love you so much. God bless.